Hello then, welcome back. So I've decided, bodywork. I want to sort a few bits, some of the damage and stuff like that. But first we're going to start with this. So, the only actual bit of rust on the car is literally this little bit of lip on the arch. So I've got some rust converter, we're going to wire wheel it back. Might do the edge there. Yeah, use the rust converter. And then we're going to, I'll probably just use filler over it. I don't want it to look perfect, I just want it to, when I paint the car, I don't want that basically. So yeah, got some wire wheels and stuff. So let's do it with some wire wheel and see how bad it actually is. So wire wheeled it, as standard, rust is always worse than it looks. You wire wheel it and it's shows up more, so it's a bit patchy on this arch edge, unfortunately. It's not too bad on the outside, should still be able to save it. It's not actually structural, it's just the actual outlet. All of this section is okay. A little bit on the corner there, this is where it's like double skinned, it's been rolled in the past. But yeah, not too bad. First I had a wire wheel on this edge here. So obviously it's had all the seals welded, so they're okay, but this edge was looking a bit bad, but it's actually not too bad. It's a little bit sort of surface on the edge and a little tiny bit there, but solid. So I think what we're going to do, clean it up and use some of the rust converter stuff I got on it. Takes, I think it's 6 hours between coats, so we'll do everything, give everything a coat. Might just wire wheel that back there, a little bit showing through on the door edge, but it doesn't look too bad. Yeah, that was literally just a little bit of surface. Yeah, let's try some of this rust converter stuff. So we've got our stuff. I'm using Dynatrol. My friend from work gave me, very nice of him. So we'll try it. Wipe down. Don't know if I'm doing this properly to us, but whatever. A bit of cardboard to sort of block off the bumper. We do that bit. So yeah. I think it's primer as well. See what you do. So apparently meant to change colour, I think it says. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see what it does. I don't know how long it takes. I know you gotta wait 6 hours between coats, but what other bit? I'm sure I did another bit. No. Oh, was that bit there? No, I was forgetting something. Right. It's really gone darker just from a couple of minutes. Let's leave it to sit and see what it does. So it's the next day. You see it's dried up pretty well. It's like gone black. This morning it had gone like purple, and then by the time I got home, so it's this kind of black colour. Yeah, looks alright. Let's see. I have bought some filler. Forgot to get spot glazing putty or something. I can't remember what it's called. I've got fiberglass filler. going to use to sort of build up the edge, and then body filler just go over the top of it. So I've mixed up some filler. I've got to work quick with it because it doesn't take long to set. Hopefully this is enough, I'm not sure, to be fair. Right, so I can't really film there, but I've managed to put some on. That was really difficult, to be fair, because it's all kind of like floppy and like goopy, so you kind of like spread it in and it gets stuck to the spreader pad, and it all like just kind of falls off. But hopefully that should dry, and then I'll give it a sand. I've got some new sanding pads for my DA, so I'll go over it with 80 grit. I've got some on the outside, which is annoying, but I'll be able to sand that, and we'll see how it looks. See if that's enough for us to then go on to the normal filler. I'm just giving this edge part a coat of primer as well, and then also on the corner. Primer does actually show how kind of crusty it actually is, but I'll be going over it with a black under seal to sort of seal it. Just waiting for this to dry. So the filler hardened up after about half an hour. I've just given it a light sand, and yeah, it's sort of filled in gaps. There is still obviously like bumps and stuff, but that should be okay to fill like with a normal filler, I think. So yeah, that's what we're going to do now. We're going to mix up the normal body filler and sort of have a go putting that on, see how that comes out. So I've got a layer of filler on it. It starts to harden up really quickly. I hope I've mixed it right so it's selling the thing. Yeah, sort of hardened up pretty quick and went sort of like not like I've seen before, but we'll give that half an hour to sort of do its thing, and then give it a sand, I think with 180. Yes, it's all like powdery, not powdery, but like set up pretty quick. Yeah, let's see what it does. So that's with a bit of sand. Looking okay. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get rid of it, but you see the arch is like a bit wavy underneath. But I don't know if I'll be able to sort of actually sort that. But it's going okay, to be fair. There's a bit of a spot here. Also, I think I put a bit too much filler on, really. But all part of the learning process. I mean, the actual edge itself isn't straight because it bows out here. I think it's been rolled previously, and this is what goes in. But it feels pretty nice and smooth here, actually, compared to the actual paint of the car. So yeah, getting on okay. So it's looking okay. Next one I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a dust over with primer to see how it looks in one colour, see if there's any spots that need going over again. Yeah, so you can see it looks okay. I think it definitely needs more sanding, and then I definitely need that kind of spot being stuff. You can see all the pitting in the filler, and it's still like a bit raised here, but you can't really see that unless you use primer. So yeah, I need to knock this little edge back a bit as well. Yeah, I'm happy with how it's coming out so far. So I'm giving it another sand and another prime over. You can still see that kind of bit there, but I'm happy with that for now, for a first go, to be honest. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave the video here for now. Yeah, watch out for more videos, because this is all going to be sort of prep for getting the Sierra painted, basically. I want to paint it. There's a lot of work to do, to be honest. I still need to do all the kit and stuff for it. I was originally thinking of sort of just doing a little bit and then get it on the road again, but I don't know. I kind of, sorry about the wind by the way. Yeah, I kind of just want to get it sorted, have it all one colour that's not black, and yeah, get it out looking cool. So yeah, I hope watching me attempt this was enjoyable. Yeah, give it a go yourselves, see what it comes out like. Yeah, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.